you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you one of several different curated boxes that Doing Good Co. has available. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. You guys, so Doing Good Co. actually sent me this coffee lovers box to show you guys, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So they actually got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys one of their new themed boxes. If you have been following me, I actually bring this one on my channel a few times a year for the last several years. The owner is absolutely amazing. She puts together these best curated boxes. Attention to detail is so spot on. From the inside of the box to the packaging to the outside to just the presentation. Just everything about these boxes are just extremely spot on, and nothing is missed when it comes to packaging and presentation on their boxes. So Doing Good Co. is a company that you can go and purchase boxes anytime. They have so many different curated boxes. They have so many different things on their website. I actually did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty15, and that will save you 15% off your cart. So whatever's accumulated in your cart at checkout, SheCrafty15 will save you that 15%. I will have them all linked down below. You can go straight to their website, see all of the different things that they have available. They have large and small gift boxes already available. They have wood signs, match bottles, succulents, mugs, stone coasters. There's holiday themed boxes, candles, stationery. There's even whipped sugar scrubs. There's so many different things you can find on their website. Their candles are absolutely amazing. They smell so good and strong the entire time. I am in love with their candles. So for these size different boxes, there's small and large. The small, just so you know, range anywhere from $17.99 to $22.99 from looking at their website. And then the large size boxes range anywhere from $27.99 to $59.98, and there's different prices in between as well. So it just depends on how big of a box, how many products are in there, what the theme is, all that. But there's several different ones, and I love that they have them at low price points to save you guys some money. So the different styles, just to give you an idea of the different types of boxes that they have available, they have Thinking of You, Be Still, Sorry for Your Loss, Health, Life is Better with a Cat, and also Life is Better with a Dog, Sending Sunshine, Thank You, Congratulations, Just Because, and so many more. So this definitely could be your one-stop shopping when it's gift related. If you want to save their website, just so if you have any birthdays or any occasion coming up in the future, next year, whenever, you can go to their website, see what they have for that occasion, and purchase an amazing curated box already ready to go. This is not a subscription service. There's no committed relationship or anything like that. It's one-time boxes you can grab anytime you want, any time of the year. So let me tell you a little bit about the company, and then we're gonna dive into this coffee lovers box. I'm so excited. At Doing Good Co., we make it easy to share your heart in a way that is tasteful, thoughtful, and tangible without all the running around. We deliver the packages right to your door. Seriously, it's that simple. Add your personal note at checkout and it will be beautifully displayed when the box is opened. Again, they are not a subscription service. They offer everyday gift boxes for any occasion, and I love that. So again, this is the Coffee Lovers box. This starts at $52.99, but then they have an option when you go to checkout that they have a drop down. There's two different ones. One of them is to check the clip that is in here. You get to select if you wanted to say blessed or if you wanted to say the good stuff. And then you get to choose if you want just the regular coffee box, or you can get the coffee box plus a pair of spa socks. That is when it will take it up to the $59.98. But if you don't want the socks, this box would be $52.99. But again, there's several different options that they have, and they go all the way down to $17 what they start for their smaller gift boxes. So definitely, if you want to follow the link down below, check them out, use my code, save some money, and you can be either gifting this to yourself or for another, or any of the other curated boxes that they have to offer. So here's what the box looks like. It says Coffee Lovers on the sticker with this really pretty ribbon that is wrapped around the entire box. And these boxes are made nicely to where you can reuse them if you would like, use them for storage or to put somebody else's gift in it, that kind of thing. But then you can even repurpose and reuse this ribbon if you would like as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is inside of this box. Again, I'm super excited. That's what it looks like when you first open up the box, and it has these has the sticker where it says Coffee Lover, and then it has this right here. It says Arise Shine. On the back, it does say your gift message will be printed here in handwritten style font, or if it's a gift for yourself, keep it as a reminder card. So then back here, I guess your gift printed message would be on here, or if it's just for a gift, you can just use this as a reminder card for yourself. So there is the first thing right on top, and then now let's go ahead and cut the tape and see what the products are going to be inside. There is a sneak peek to the presentation, but look at how cute that looks. All of the squiggle paper, everything is nicely nestled in there in its perfect spot. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in here. But first, let me take a sip of my coffee. Speaking of coffee. Again, I love me some coffee. Okay, so we got the card that's right on top. And then down inside, oh my gosh, and it's so cute the way that she puts this in here where the coffee's actually in this large mug, you guys. Okay, so the first thing it says, this is going to be good. That is actually really great because while you're drinking your morning coffee or tea or orange juice, whatever tickles your fancy, you can be like drinking this and saying to yourself, this is going to be good. Like this is going to be a good day, good vibes, that kind of thing to start your day off right. This is again a large size. Does it tell me? It's a 16 ounce from Santa Barbara Studio Designs. So here's the little tag that is on it. This is like a ceramic mug. Again, it's really large size. And then it just says, this is going to be good. Yes, it is. And then down inside of this mug was actual coffee as well. This one here says Courage, Organic Samartan Dark Roast. And it says on here, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So then you have this actual pouch of coffee, and it does say that it is ground. So you do have ground coffee down in there ready to go. That is awesome. Courage is created with organic beans from Sumarta. The dark roast, single origin, bold coffee has light acidic with earthy, spicy, and chocolatey tasting notes. It's 100% ethically sourced, and it even tells you when it was packaged on. This one says roasted and packaged on 9/27 of 23. This was literally just packaged, what, not even 2 weeks ago? Wow, so this is definitely gonna last a very long time. And if you have like the Keurig like me with the little K-Pods, you can either put this inside of one of those little things you can put in there to add your own coffee grounds. I don't use those because I normally get like so many coffee grounds in my coffee at the time. Or you can, there's different apparatuses that you can use to make regular coffee simple and easy. I actually do have a regular coffee machine in the garage. So whenever I want to use regular coffee, I'll bring that bad boy in and make a whole pot of coffee. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I definitely want to try this roast out because it sounds absolutely amazing. So you have your coffee, you have your coffee mug, already amazing items, you guys. So this is the one that's gonna have the two different sayings on it. So this right here, it is Sips Drinkware Coffee Bag Clip. So when you open up your coffee, you can use this as your coffee clip, kind of like a chip bag clip, but it's for your coffee. And let me open this so you can see it without the plastic. See how it shows the clip is holding the bag closed. So this is the one that you can choose at checkout if you wanted to say blessed, or if you wanted to say the good stuff. So this one does say the good stuff, which that's what I would choose if I were to order. So the good stuff, and it's a nice metal clip. It's not like a cheap plastic clip. It's a nice metal clip, and that's definitely a great thing to have for a coffee box for sure. Now let's see here. We have these safety matches. And I absolutely love this. And most of the boxes curated, and you can actually purchase these individually, will have these little match containers. They have all different colors. So this one actually is like a brownish color to match the coffee theme. And what's absolutely amazing is that there's a strike thing right here. So you don't have to worry about trying to find a place to strike the match. It's right there on the bottle to get your match lit. So down inside, again, they are all like the brown color. And then again, you have your strike thing right here to go ahead and light it. I love that fact that it's all there for you in one thing. And plus here in Florida, these are great to have everywhere because you never know when the power is going to go out and you need to light like a candle or light your way or anything like that. So matches are like a huge thing for me in Florida. But no matter where you are, where you live, what you're doing, matches are always good to have, especially as a backup or like an emergency. You never know when you need some fire. So this is, oh my gosh, yes, it is a coffee house hand poured in Georgia. This is a candle and it is going to be a coffee themed candle, you guys. I'm super, super excited. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm telling you, she has the best candles. They smell so good. And some candles, like you'll smell it when you're first burning, but then as you're, you know, trying to continue to use the candle throughout its time, you don't smell anything. Not with these. You smell it like the entire time. These are very good quality candles. And that smells absolutely phenomenal. They even have like a lemon pound cake one, which, oh, that smells so good. And the candles you can purchase individually from their shop at any given time as well. So now we have is, ooh, dark chocolate covered coffee beans. Oh my goodness, you guys. And it's in a nice glass jar. Lumineux chocolate. I don't want to butcher it, so I just spelled it. Let's get them opened. Look in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells like dark chocolate. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Those are amazing. And then the last item down in here is the mini shareable card pack. They always give you, I think there's 2 cards and 2 envelopes in their boxes. And it always goes with the theme of the box. So this is how it looks, really cute with the little tie around it. So there's 2 cards and 2 envelopes. And that is what the front of it looks like. And then down inside it says, satisfy us each morning with your unfailing love. So you can gift these to somebody. You can keep them for yourself. They're just little shareable cards, which are really cute that they do include these in, like I said, all of their boxes. And now that is everything that is in this Coffee Lovers box. So a quick recap, you have the 2 cards and envelopes. You have this amazing smelling, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to burn, coffee candle. You have the amazing tasting chocolate covered coffee beans. You have a coffee bag clip that is metal and you can choose the same between 2 different designs. You have the coffee that is down inside of here. You have the matches. You have this right here that you can use, or you can write it at, you know, as a postcard and send it to somebody. And then you have this really large coffee mug. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for this particular video. Again, you have all these products and it's even jam-packed with all of these squiggles. Let me show you. You have this whole entire box of all these squiggles that you can repurpose, use for gift bags or packing materials, that kind of thing. And you even have this ribbon that you can use for something as well. So that is now everything for this Coffee Lovers box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the theme? What do you think of the items that are down inside of it? I'm loving this box because, again, I love everything about coffee and this was spot on with all of the items. So I think it is a great box. Again, you can check them out at any given time. Use my code to save money with all of their amazing boxes. They have a box for any occasion that might come up. So now that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.